Hey people, this is Steve, and I'm back for yet another box recap. This is a box of 2011 University of Oklahoma, put out by Upper Deck, and 24 packs in this box, 8 cards per pack. Nothing is spoken for. Any Sooner fans out there might find a lot of really cool stuff in here, so I do want to go through what I got. First of all, there's a 99 card base set. I got the entire set, and I have it here just in 2 thingies. But all former OU players, both well known and maybe not so well known. There were 3 fairly common inserts. One is the all-time alum, so I'm going to buzz through these pretty quick. Probably the most famous currently is Adrian Peterson. We have Brian Bosworth, Billy Sims, Cale Gundy, Dewey Selman, Granville Liggins, some old timers in here, Jim Grisham, Josh Heupel, J.C. Watts, Jimbo Elrod, Jermaine Gresham, Jamel Holloway, Joe Washington, Leroy Selman, Lucius Selman, 3 Selman brothers, of course, legendary in Oklahoma lore, Mark Clayton, wide receiver, Quentin Griffin, Rocky Kalmus, Steve Davis, Derek Strait, Steve Zabel, Tommy McDonald, Tinker Owens, and then they had some of them listed in pairs. Still the all-time alumni set, but this one is a duo of Brian Bosworth and Tony Casillas. A duo of Sam Bradford and Jason White, 2 quarterbacks. Keith Jackson and Jermaine Gresham, 2 tight ends. Adrian Peterson and Sam Bradford. That's a nice combination right there. Adrian Peterson with Billy Sims, another one. Love the fro on Billy Sims. Billy Sims with Greg Pruitt, 2 running backs. The 2 more famous Selman brothers, Leroy Selman and Dewey Selman. And then they had the trios where they had 3 players together. In this one, there's actually 6 in the trio set, and I have all 6. I did not get all of the singles, and I did not get all of the doubles. There's quite a few in that set. But here's a trio of linebackers, Brian Bosworth, Teddy Lehman, and Rocky Kalmus. 3 quarterbacks here, Sam Bradford, Jason White, and Josh Heupel. 3 running backs, Tommy McDonald, Joe Washington, and Greg Pruitt. And 3 more modern running backs, Adrian Peterson, Billy Sims, and, well, not so much, Tommy McDonald, not modern. Billy Sims, Steve Owens, and Jason White. And Leroy Selman, Dewey Selman, and Lucius Selman, the Selman brothers. So that was the all-time alumni insert set, quite a few of those. The next insert set that was pretty common was the national champions. And this also has singles, doubles, and triples. So the singles were, and it highlights their the year that they won the national championship, or multiple years in some cases. Bill Krishner, guard. Bob Stoops, the coach. Dewey Selman, So the years at the bottom, that's the year there of the national championship teams they were on. I think Oklahoma has 6. I could be wrong on that. Horace Ivory, Jimbo Elrod, Jamel Holloway, Jerry Tubbs, Joe Washington, Leroy Selman, Quentin Griffin, Barry Switzer, coach, Tony Casillas, Tommy McDonald. Now the duos from the same set, we have from the 74-75 champs, we got Billy Brooks and Tinker Owens, 2 wide receivers. From 2000, we have Josh Heupel and Quentin Griffin. From both 55 and 56, we have Tommy McDonald and Jerry Tubbs. From 1985, Coach Barry Switzer and Brian Bosworth, the Boz. From 2000, Coach Bob Stoops and Josh Heupel. From 75, running backs Joe Washington and Horace Ivory. And actually, that's all 6 of the doubles that they have, so I got all 6 of those. Although I did not get all the singles. And there were triples. There were 4 of them. I only have 2. From 74 and 75, we have Steve Davis, Joe Washington, and Tinker Owens. From 1985, we have Jamel Holloway, Keith Jackson, and Brian Bosworth. So that's the National Champions insert set. One more insert set, and then we'll get into the less common stuff, including the autograph. As you can see, the box says there's 1 per box. These are the All-Americans. Obviously, All-Americans who played for various years for Oklahoma. We have Billy Sims, Greg Pruitt, Jermaine Gresham, Joe Washington, Keith Jackson, Mark Clayton, Sam Bradford, Steve Owens, Tony Casillas, Tinker Owens, Tommy McDonald. So there was 1 gold parallel. The gold parallels are numbered out of 210, and this is of former Oklahoma quarterback, national champions in 74 and 75. I think he won the Heisman, but I'm not totally sure. Steve Davis, his base card with the gold finish and the stamping, number 172 out of 210. So that's the gold version. Steve Davis. There were the Icons insert set. I have, once again, Steve Davis. These shiny gold cards. These are not numbered so far. The only thing numbered is that parallel. And I also got the famous kicker who went on to play for the Dolphins, Uwe von Schamann. And of course, Sooner fans know him for what is known as the kick. The one autograph to cap off this box was an all-time alumni autographed version from one of the 3 Heisman Trophy winners to not get drafted in the NFL somehow. Jason White, quarterback. And it's numbered only 3 out of 30. See if you can get that. So pretty nice. Unfortunately, it wasn't the Adrian Peterson I was hoping for. But there you go. So, like I said, if you're interested in any of that, I'll sell them in lots. I'll sell them as singles. Stay tuned to eBay. My username is Football Cards by Steve, one big word. And I'm putting stuff up every day. So, thanks for watching. Later.